Welcome to our incredible journey through the cosmos. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of space exploration.
Did you know the first human-made object to reach space was a German V-2 rocket launched in 1944? Laika, a Soviet space dog, was the first animal to orbit Earth, aboard Sputnik 2 in 1957.
Yuri Gagarin, a Soviet cosmonaut, became the first human to journey into outer space in 1961.
The Apollo 11 mission in 1969 marked the first time humans landed on the Moon. Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin made history.
The Hubble Space Telescope, launched in 1990, has provided some of the most detailed images of distant galaxies.
Mars rovers like Spirit, Opportunity, and Curiosity have been exploring the Red Planet, sending invaluable data back to Earth.
The International Space Station, a collaborative project involving multiple countries, has been in orbit since 1998.
SpaceX, founded by Elon Musk, achieved the first privately funded spacecraft to reach orbit in 2008 with the Falcon 1 rocket. NASA's Voyager 1 spacecraft, launched in 1977, is now over 14 billion miles from Earth, making it the farthest human-made object in space. The solar system's largest volcano, Olympus Mons, is located on Mars and is nearly 3 times the height of Mount Everest.
Astronauts on the International Space Station witness 16 sunrises and sunsets each day due to its high orbit speed.
The term astronaut comes from Greek words meaning star and sailor. NASA's Artemis program aims to return humans to the Moon by 2024 and establish sustainable exploration.
The largest known structure in the universe is the Hercules Corona Borealis Great Wall, a galaxy filament about 10 billion light-years away.
Sputnik 1, the first artificial Earth satellite, was launched by the Soviet Union in 1957, starting the space race.
Planetary transits, where a planet passes in front of its star, help scientists discover exoplanets.
Space probes like the New Horizons mission provide detailed images and data on distant celestial bodies, like Pluto.
The James Webb Space Telescope, set to launch in 2021, will be the most powerful space telescope ever built.
Spacesuits protect astronauts from the extreme temperatures and lack of oxygen in space.
Microgravity causes astronauts' spines to elongate, making them slightly taller while in space.
The first American woman in space was Sally Ride, who flew aboard the Challenger shuttle in 1983.
The Mars InSight lander measures seismic activity on Mars, providing insights into the planet's interior.
The Saturn V rocket, used during the Apollo missions, remains the most powerful rocket ever built.
Astronauts use specially designed exercise equipment to stay fit in the microgravity environment of space.
The Curiosity rover's mission on Mars has been extended indefinitely beyond its original 2-year goal.
Astronomers use radio waves to communicate with spacecraft millions of miles away. Cosmic rays, which are high-energy particles from space, pose a risk to astronauts in deep space missions.
Black holes, regions of space where gravity is so strong that not even light can escape, are studied with space telescopes.
NASA plans to send humans to Mars in the 2030s as part of their long-term exploration goals. The largest artificial structure in space is the International Space Station, which has been continuously inhabited since 2000.
A day on Venus is longer than a year on Venus because it takes longer to rotate on its axis than to orbit the Sun.
The Parker Solar Probe, launched in 2018, is on a mission to study the Sun up close and has already broken records for closest approach.
Astronaut Chris Hadfield became famous for his space-themed cover of David Bowie's Space Oddity, performed on the ISS.
The first and only photograph of a black hole was revealed in 2019, thanks to the Event Horizon Telescope project. Voyager 2, launched in 1977, is the only spacecraft to have visited all 4 outer planets: Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune.
Space tourism is becoming a reality, with companies like Blue Origin and Virgin Galactic offering suborbital flights for civilians. The European Space Agency's Rosetta mission successfully landed on a comet, named 67P Churyumov-Gerasimenko, in 2014.
The golden record aboard Voyager spacecraft contains sounds and images representing life on Earth, intended for any extraterrestrial life forms.
Gravity assists, or slingshot maneuvers, help spacecraft gain speed and adjust their trajectories using the gravity of a planet or moon.
The Bepicolombo mission, a joint effort by the ESA and JAXA, aims to study Mercury after arriving in 2025.
The idea of space elevators, a proposed type of planet-to-space transportation, is a concept often explored by scientists and futurists.